For a good to be efficiently provided by a market economy, which of the following characteristics is essential? And really it's asking about rival versus excludable. And the answer is it really needs to be both rival in consumption and excludable. For it to be efficient, it's that my use, like people need to be stopped from being able to use it. And then also that my use prevents other people from using it. Right. If it is only rival in consumption but non-excludable, that makes it a common resource, which is why both C and A are wrong. And basically this is the example of like crab fishing or anything, any sort of fishing issues, is that like you can't really exclude people from it, and as a result, like you have damage to the environment, like overfishing or whatever, because there is no ability to be excludable. However, if it's excludable but non-rival, then you have the situation where like college lecture, where yes, you can exclude people from it, but your ability to watch it doesn't really preempt anyone else from doing that. And so it's hard to establish a price for that because like there is no good that's really being consumed. So it does need to be both rival in consumption and excludable. It needs to be subject to the free rider problem. The free rider problem really has nothing to do with this, but it is the idea that like if Mr. Maxwell is the member of a union and I am not, he is paying dues to like raise wages and I am not paying those dues. If our wages go up, I still benefit. That is the free rider issue, which has nothing to do with this question.